So here we are. The logs look great, beautiful. We have the actual app running with the coming soon. So we could get to building this app, but what we're going to do first is we are going to commit all these changes. Since we did quite normally, you would want to commit a little bit sooner. Most of these are just file renames. I did delete some stuff because we had to get rid of the bio folder, which wasn't working. We had to change it to blueprints. As you can see here, this is going to be our new routes, the blueprints folder, so we can run all this properly. So we're going to use WINDSURF, or Codium as they call it as well, or Cascade. I call her Cassie. And we're going to ask her, let's commit these changes, and actually let's stage and commit these changes. And this is one of the best features, is that not only will it stage them for you, it'll write you a nice commit message, which normally you would put up in here, and we could do it all through here, but it is just nice to have have Cassie do this for us. It really does make things a lot more streamlined and easy. So it's going to add all the relevant changes to the gitignore and make sure that we don't upload this very important secret key from the production template. Or wait a second. Oh, it hasn't even made the production one yet. Oh, this is just a template that we would then show in the git. Okay, so then I still need to make the end folder, because we only have this one here. This is just a template. But when I go ahead and make the key here, we will generate a code, and that will then, we'll use it then when we set this to production, when we get ready for deployment. And here we are. Let's just take a look. We're going to accept the status. That's going to stage everything as it just did. Wonderful. Now it's written a beautiful commit message with a detailed explanation of all the stuff that we did. Added SLO requirement filter for production. Yes, this is all very nice, and we're going to accept that. And now let's clean up the videos, yes, and remove all. Oh, do we want to remove those? Or please don't mess me up here, because I need those here, all the names. So if I accept this, it's going to remove all the old. These here, really, we don't need those, but we have the videos there. Accept, and here we go. We got a clean folder. Now the only thing I'm wondering about, I'm not sure exactly why it's not tracking my files properly, because it should be tracking my changes. It is loading them here into the Git, it's just not tracking them properly. So let's ask her why changes not being tracked with colors in my Git. So now it's going to make it so that when I do make changes, auto, color branch, different, git config. Okay. Normally it would do this automatically. I'm just a little confused why It's not working. Git status accept. On branch dev, nothing to commit, working for free. Okay, let's make a small change. Yeah, let's change the README. That's good. Echo change test README down git status. Okay, and there it is. So it's still not really showing the changes, which is kind of well. I mean, it's not crucial, but normally when it's tracking files, it would show you what files were changed, but you can't just see it over here, so I'll have to take a look at that. But lastly, we're going to want to merge from the dev here into the main, and we're going to ask it to do that because we're now happy with the code. Everything's working. We can check this real fast, and we'll run this up again. Bam. As you can see, development mode, debug true, log over debug. The logs are showing up here wonderfully with the timestamp. Yes, it's correct. And now we're going to, let's merge these changes to the main Git. And then Cassie will do that for us. She's going to check, of course, make sure nothing's clean. Yes, it is. We're going to switch, check out to the main. Boom. Whoa, 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 what you doing? What are you doing here? Okay, okay. There it is. Okay, merge the dev branch into the main. Okay, good. Uh-oh. Oh, and it's updating all those changes. So these were all the changes we've done since we first did it. And now you can see we are in the main branch. And it's going to check to see if everything was successful. And we are. So we can now give this another shot in the main. Ran right up. We're in development mode. And just to be sure everything's good, let's, bam. Coming soon. Coming soon. There it is. All right. So in the next one, we'll actually get to start building the app and getting these buttons and everything going. See you in the next one.